قال موسى ربنا إنك آتيت فرعون وملأه زينة وأموالا في الحياة الدنيا ربنا ليضلوا عن سبيلك ربنا اطمس على أموالهم واشدد على قلوبهم فلا يؤمنوا حتى يروا العذاب الأليم. And Musa said, "O our Lord, you have given the Pharaoh and his chiefs, the adornment and wealth in this world. You, Allah, has given the Pharaoh and his chiefs the adornment and wealth in this world. Rabbana liyudillu an sabilik. O our Lord, so that they mislead from your path. They mislead people from your way. Rabbana liyudillu an sabilik. Rabbana tmis ala amwalihim washdud ala qulubihim. O our Lord, obliterate them on their wealth and make them rigid on their hearts. فَلَا يُؤْمِنُوا حَتَّى يَرَوُا الْعَذَابَ, and make them rigid on their hearts so that they will never believe until they see the dreadful punishment. That is the call of the messenger Moses to his Lord, that obliterate them on their wealth. Obliterate them, O our Lord. رَبَّنَا لِيُضِلُّوا عَنْ سَبِيلِكَ رَبَّنَا اطْمِسْ أَمْوَالِهِمْ عَلَى أَمْوَالِهِمْ وَاشْدُدْ عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ فَلَا يُؤْمِنُوا حَتَّى يَرَوُا الْعَذَابَ. That is what Musa alayhi salam asked Allah, that you have given them wealth and power and glitter and zinat in this world, so they mislead men from the path of Allah. And he's challenging you, this Pharaoh is challenging Musa alayhi salam about slaughtering and killing the messenger. So he says, and Musa said, "O our Lord, you have given Pharaoh and his chief the adornment and wealth in this world. O our Lord, so that they mislead about your way. O our Lord, obliterate them on their wealth and make them rigid on their hearts, so they will not believe until they see the dreadful punishment." That is what Musa called to his Lord, that they should never believe. This is not a matter of jokes. These are the ayats. They should never believe. And in all times, people who are like Pharaoh or the followers of Pharaoh, they will never believe, because of Allah accepted the call of Musa.